whānau. We are at Chemist Warehouse down here in Glen Innes. What we're doing is getting our ISO ready kits, just in case we catch the Omicron. So, follow me. Here's the list, team. Okay, we need to get some rongoa and pain relief and some masks and whatnot and a thermometer. So we're gonna go look for that stuff. This 100 tablets, $4. What's next? Mask, gloves and sanitizer. Do you know where the gloves are?
No, we don't have any.
You don't sell any?
They're out of stock.
You heard it here first, it's whānau cotton gloves. Plus, I think, let's check our list one more time. Here we go. Oh, we need a thermometer, the key component. No, I think they're in the PP aisle. Fun. These are very expensive thermometers, it's whānau, and you know, $87, I think not. 124. There's no thermometers left, we're out of luck. Okay, so the thermometers cost a little bit too much, so we're just gonna go ahead and pay for everything. That's me paying for everything. One thing I did forget though is Pamel for my babies, so I'll grab that at a later point. But this is it, my ISO ready kit. Get yours now.